Hello students, good morning to all you. Today we are going to learn a math subjects measurement. You know measurement, what is a measurement means? Anyone guess this? Yes, measurement means we have see the pictures of different types of things. Yes na? Yes. That is some is look like a long, some look like a short, some look like a light, some look like a heavy, some less, some more. That's way we have say a measurement. Here is a one pen and one pencil. Then what is the length of both of? See, pencil and pen I kept here nearby. Which is the longest? Yes, anyone guess this? Yes, pencil is the longest and pen is a short. Yes na? Yes, very good. Let us see. This is a camel. Yes na? Yes. Yes, this is a camel. Then what is this? This is a zebra. Correct. This is a zebra and this is a cow. This is a zebra and this is a cow. In both of animal, who is the tallest and who is the shortest? Yes, zebra is the tallest and cow is the shortest. Yes na? Zebra is the tallest and cow is the shortest. Another example. This is a horse and this is a goat. Who is the tallest and who is the shortest? Yes, goat is the shortest and horse is the tallest. Correct. Goat is the shortest and horse is the tallest. Very good. Let's see one another example. This is a stone and this is a cotton. Which is the heavy and which is the light? Anyone tell me? Yes, stone is a light. Yes, is it correct? No. Stone is a heavy and cotton is a light. What? Stone is a heavy and cotton is a light. Do you understand? Yes, very good. See, one another example. This is a rabbit and this is a hippo. Hippo is a heaviest, so we cannot left this. But rabbit is a very light, so we left his very easily. Yes na? Yes. So hippo is a heavy and rabbit is a light. Yes, very good. See students, here is a some pens are here and here is a one pencil. And how many pens is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pencils are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 pens are here and one pencil is here. Then what is the less and what is the more? Pen is the less or pencil is the more? Anyone guess? Yes, very good. Pencil is a less and pen is a more. Why? Pen's quantity is here of 5 pens and pencil is only 1. So that is a more is a pens and 1 is a pencils and less is a pencil. Do you understand? Yes, very good. Let us see measurement of length. Measurement of length. We have taken different types of measurement of the lengths. Like a hands palm. Hands palm means we take a measurement of this line. Anything we have taken this line. Let us see here. Here I have one paper. I have one paper and I take a length of paper. Starting I kept here my big fingers here, thumb is here starting, and smallest finger, little finger here. Then afterward this is a 1, and then this is a 2. This like we have take a length of paper. This type measuring we call a hands palm. Hands palm means we have take a measuring with the fingers. Yes, very good. Do you understand? Yes. Like which type, which things we have taken hands palm the measurement? Yes. Like table, big table. Also we have taken books measurement with the hands palm. Look like this type. I kept here my thumb in started and second little finger is here, and now I will take a last one here. Yes, na? Yes. Then what is the measurement is here? 1.5. 1.5 hands palm measurement. Yes, na? Yes. Do you understand this? Yes. Very good. Length of the single step is called a pace. This can also be used to measure a length. Measure the length of the classroom with your space. Now let us see. We have taken measurement of our classroom. Yes, with our pace. Okay. Okay. Let us see we have taken measurement of our classroom with a pace. See, this like we have taken measurement of our classroom, our room, our bedroom, and a little one pace of our any rooms. Okay. But this measurement are the different of a different people. Can you say why? Do you understand? If now the teacher take a space of the measurement of a length in our classroom, but if you are any students take this like of the measurement of our classroom with a pace, what is a coming? Yes, that is a measurement coming a different type of. The teachers different and yours different, because your pace is a small and teacher's pace is a big. So that is a different, that is a measurement coming a different. Yes, na? Yes. So same like a measure of our handspan. Handspan is same like is our your mother and yours same is coming measurement? No. Why? Your mother's hand is a big and yours hand is a small. That's why yours and your mother's handspan is coming same? No. That is why not coming a same yours and your mother's handspan. Do you understand? That is a different coming of measurement of length. Yes. Do you understand? Yes. Very good. See, how do we measure length? We use a scale or ruler to measure short's lengths. Like the length of the pencil or notebook, we measure such a length of the centimeters. We use the measuring rod or measuring the tape to the measure the things that are long, like a dress material or the size of room. We measure such a length of in a meters. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, or 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meters. Do you understand? Yes, very good. Now we have see a bed. Reena and Kumar are playing on a seesaw in the park. Do you know seesaw? Yes, in our school is have also. Yes, na? Yes. Reena is heavier than Kumar. Reena is heavier than Kumar. Oh, I also want to go up to that high. Haha, you can't. I am lighter than you. Because Reena is a heavier, so she became a downside, and Kumar is a light, so he became a high. Yes, na? Yes. Many of time we have see going to in market with our mother, father, brother. Yes, na? Yes. In the markets, there little shop we are going to some take our grocery. Yes, na? Vegetables. Yes. This is a different type of measurements things. Simple balance, pan balance and electronic balance. This is a three type of the balance of the measurements. This is a simple balance more than using in a jewelry shop. Yes. This is a using pan balance in a grocery shop, and electronic balance also used in a grocery shop, also in a fruit market, vegetable market. Do you understand? Yes. These all is we have get a measurements within a grams. Within a grams and also kilogram. See, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, or 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Do you understand? Yes, very good. We use the units of weight to measure the quantities that are heavy or light. These things we have used quantities, measuring the quantities with a heavy or light. Okay, do you understand what is a measurement? Yes, very good. And what things we have used in a measurements? Yes, very good. Thank you.